Hey there, creative minds. Welcome back to Digital Dave. Today, we're diving into something super cool, how to craft the perfect prompts for Leonardo AI to get the best, high-quality images. I know prompts might sound a bit technical, but I promise you, by the end of this video, you'll be a pro at making Leonardo AI do exactly what you want. We'll keep it fun, we'll keep it simple, and maybe even a little bit quirky. Ready? Let's jump in. So, what's a prompt? Well, think of it like giving directions to your AI buddy. But here's the catch, Leonardo AI is a bit like a picky chef. If you just say pizza, you might get something that's a little too basic, like plain cheese with no toppings. But if you say a gourmet pepperoni pizza with extra cheese, fresh basil, and a crispy crust, now we're talking. The more specific and detailed you are, the better the results. When it comes to getting the best images, there are three main ingredients you need in your prompt: subject, style, and details. But to really make Leonardo AI shine, we need to be precise and use a few tricks to guide it to perfection. So let's break these down with some fun examples. Let's start with our first example, a super cute kitten. We're going to break it down into subject, style, and details. First, we have the subject, a super cute, fluffy kitten with big eyes. That's our main focus, the star of the show. Then comes the style, cartoon style. This tells the AI to make the image look playful and animated rather than realistic. And finally, we have the details, sitting in a tiny teacup. Ultra detailed, vibrant colors. These details help the AI understand exactly what we want. It's like saying, here's the scene, now make it pop. Now, let me give you some more styling options you can use for any prompt to tweak the look and feel of your images. For example, you can try these. Realistic style, perfect for when you want your image to look lifelike. Try adding terms like photorealistic, ultra-realistic, or hyper-realistic. Watercolor style, great for a softer, artistic look. Include terms like watercolor painting or soft brush strokes. Vintage style, for that old-timey, nostalgic feel. Add vintage, retro, or sepia tones to your prompt. Abstract style, if you're going for something more creative and interpretative, try abstract, surreal, or artistic. Digital art style, perfect for more modern, high-tech images. Use terms like digital art, CGI, or 3D rendering. These styling options are super versatile and can be used to add that extra flair to any image prompt you're working on. As you can see, by being clear with the subject, style, and details, we got exactly what we wanted. A super cute, cartoon-style kitten in a teacup. But remember, the magic is in the details. Adding phrases like ultra-detailed really brings the image to life. Now let's try something different, a majestic lion. For the subject, we've got a majestic lion with a golden mane. Our style here is hyper-realistic, meaning we want it to look as real as possible, and the details. Standing on a cliff at sunset, cinematic lighting, 4K quality. These details ensure that the scene feels epic, like it's straight out of a movie. But here's a pro tip to make it even more lifelike. In Leonardo AI, you can select a preset to enhance your image. For this lion, I'm going to use the Lifelike Vision preset, which is perfect for creating ultra-realistic images. And add that extra cinematic touch. I'll select the cinematic preset style. This combination helps the AI produce an image that's not just realistic, but also visually stunning, like a scene from a blockbuster movie. The Lifelike Vision preset really brings out those realistic textures, while the cinematic style adds that dramatic lighting, making it look like it's ready for the big screen. See how we broke that down? By specifying each part: subject, style, and details, we guided Leonardo AI to create exactly what we envisioned. And with the Lifelike Vision and cinematic presets, we took it to the next level, making our lion look even more majestic and movie-ready. Here's where things get a bit more advanced. Originally, I used a prompt like a futuristic cityscape with flying cars, neon lights, and a cyberpunk vibe, but the AI wasn't quite getting it right. I was seeing cars on the ground or even landed on skyscrapers, so I needed to tweak it. This time, I used a more detailed prompt, a futuristic cityscape at night with several flying cars strictly in the air above the skyline, neon lights illuminating the skyscrapers, ultra-detailed, cyberpunk, wide-angle shot. Notice how I emphasized strictly in the air above the skyline. This makes it crystal clear that I want those cars in the air only. But to make sure the AI understands and doesn't put any cars on the ground or on buildings, we need to use a negative prompt. Let me show you how to do that in Leonardo AI. Here's how you can add a negative prompt in Leonardo AI to keep those cars flying. Click the Advanced Settings drop-down in the left sidebar. Turn on the Negative Prompt option. You'll see a box where you can enter your negative prompts. Type in cars on the ground, parked cars, landed cars, cars touching buildings or roads. This tells Leonardo AI to exclude any images where the cars are on the ground, parked, landed, or touching any buildings or roads. It's like giving the AI a strict rule, no cars on the ground. Now, look at the result. All the cars are flying high above the skyline, exactly as we wanted. By combining a clear subject, cool style, detailed description, and a well-crafted negative prompt, we guided Leonardo AI to create the perfect futuristic scene. Look at that. We've got our futuristic city complete with those flying cars and everything's glowing in that cool cyberpunk style. This is a perfect example of how refining your subject and details can make all the difference in getting the perfect image. So, to recap, when crafting your prompt, think about the subject, style, and details as separate but equally important ingredients. The subject is what you want in the image, the style sets the mood or feel, and the details tell the AI exactly how to bring it all together. And remember, don't be afraid to use negative prompts to refine your results. I hope this helps you get the most out of Leonardo AI. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative tips and tricks. Drop a comment if you have any questions or if there's something specific you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.